What is happening, traders? Thank you for tuning in to Let's Talk Trades. My name is Jason. Today we're going to be talking about 3 stocks I think you should buy instead of the free stock Robinhood gave you. When I first opened up my Robinhood account, I got a free Ford stock. I like to call Ford Frank. Frank sat around in my portfolio on my couch for 2 years. Didn't really do anything, kind of was a freeloader. He sat there, gave me nothing in return, and so I kicked him out. I sold him, got rid of him. Well, look at him now. Frank is flying high. Above $10, living his best life. I couldn't wait 5 years for that. Here are 3 penny stocks I think that can double your money, maybe even triple your money in the coming month. I'm not going to go into too much detail in them. I'm just going to go over a brief overview of them. If you want more information, drop a comment, give me a subscribe. I'll be more than happy to go into depth in these companies, guys. So we have UShin Limited. They are an online used car dealer in China. Now their sales are very bad. A lot of reports have been coming out that China wants to build its own $308 billion car market. If you've seen Carvana's price action as of the last 2-3 years, it did well in the basement of $25-$30 before it shot up and skyrocketed where it's sitting at now. So there is big potential here. Like I said, China does want to build their own used car market. Buying a used car in China was not seen as acceptable prior. It is becoming more acceptable now. China is also cutting its subsidies on EVs. With the corona outbreak, getting around China would be more convenient for younger adults if they were to have a car, and so a used car is always a good option, and I believe UShin is providing that platform. Another stock I'm looking at is Biolase. They had a reverse split vote over the weekend for a 1-to-25 reverse split. It did not receive enough votes, and so they're going to meet again on February 16th. Now, they are a leading provider in dental lasers. The dentists have been closed due to COVID. They are starting to open back up. Now, this is a less invasive. They don't have to get as into your mouth. It's less trauma, less bleeding. It heals faster. The problem is the dentists are closed, and so with dentists opening back up, Biolase should increase in sales, and I believe that the stock price is going to go up. The last one I want to talk about is Taseko Mines. Now, it is a copper play. I just want to show you the price of copper over the last 6 months. This is the 6-month chart for TGB. This is the 6-month chart for copper. As you can tell, copper prices are soaring. TGB has seen a similar rise in price action along with copper, and they have announced that they expect quarterly revenues that should be coming out in February to exceed expectations, so look for a decent run up. It has been consolidating quite a lot around the 120-140 area, so I do expect a breakout in the coming month. I do own a position in this. It is a fairly large position. I am holding on this company. I believe they have good prospects. They just have a new mine open in Arizona. It is something to look into, guys. Thank you for tuning in to Let's Talk Trades. If you're new around here, give me a subscribe, give me a like. I really appreciate it, guys. Leave me a comment on what you think about these 3 companies. Let's talk about it. Thank you for tuning in to Let's Talk Trades.